All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, we are getting rid of the truck, but I'll tell you why in a second and what's happening to it. But first we gotta run a couple errands. I need to go get some gas for the truck. I gotta put some gas in this truck, and then I gotta go drop some orders off at the post office, and then we gotta go grab the trailer to take it home and load the truck up. But yeah, let's go do that. Alright, fun fact, I actually have not put any gas in the C10 since April, so we're gonna go throw 5 gallons in it real quick. Alright, haircut done. Feels good. Oh my god, it's been like 3 weeks since I had a haircut, but I love getting haircuts. It makes you feel like a whole different person. So yeah, now we're gonna go get the trailer and go take it home so we can get this truck loaded up. So this is the one thing that I hate. It's a huge pain. I have to pay like $100 a month to keep my trailer in a storage lot. Luckily it's across from my neighborhood, but since I live in an HOA like golf course community neighborhood, they're super strict about trailers being in driveways or things being parked in the street and whatnot. So like I literally have to park my trailer over here and come get it, which huge pain, but man, I can't wait till I retire from the military and can go just build like a barn dominium and keep all my stuff at my house, because I hate it. Like they don't even like when I go pick up this trailer and like park it in front of my house just for a night to load up the truck. So it's like I'm literally gonna go pick up this trailer, park it in front of my house, like hooked up to my truck, and that way I can put the C10 in the back of it, and it's gonna be there for literally less than 24 hours. But like they write me like notes and stuff about it, telling me to like move it. I'm like, dude, that's crazy. This is how you can tell I'm a cheap person. Like, I'm obviously wealthy and I have money, but I'm so cheap that I still have a manual like lift on my trailer. One day I'll get something nice on it. But yeah, man, I just leave this thing over here and it's got all my merch and stuff in it, and we're gonna go hook it up to the daily right there. All right, and gotta put out my little cones. That way nobody steals my spot. You can tell how long I've had my trailer here. All the grass is dead, so we'll hold my spot right there. Been using that spot for about 2 years. It is what it is. Sucks I gotta pay $100 a month for that, but whatever. So here's one of my favorite cheap little Amazon gadgets. I think everybody should have one of these in their truck. Mine just sits right here on my dash, but it's the TPS sensors for the tires on my trailer. So they're little, like 4 little screw-on ones, and then I just keep this thing, which is actually solar powered or it can be electronic, but gives you good peace of mind while you're driving in your trailer, because I used to always worry about that, like, is one of my tires leaking, is one gonna blow out, or what's the tire pressures, and I would like pull over and check them all the time just because I was so like OCD about it. But now on these like 8 and 10 hour trips, I can just look at it, so it's nice. So I can actually see like they're a little low right now, so I'm gonna go put some air in them before I throw the C10 in the back. All right, got the trailer cleaned out. I ended up just putting like all of my merch stuff is in the back of my truck, other than like what we have up here, because I gotta make room for that C10. So I have not used this winch since April. Let's hope that it still works. I guess let's test it out. I just hooked it up, so. Oh no. All right, well that was a simple fix. I just unplugged it and plugged it back in. And now it works. We've got power, thank God. Yeah, this is why I never really take my C10 to shows, because I get so scared about any of this stuff falling on my truck in there that I end up just taking it out of my trailer, like even though I strap it down to the walls, and it goes in the back of the truck. And then I put all the merch and stuff. It's all crammed in the back. However, typically I always put merch and boxes and all that stuff in front of my truck because I typically have about like this whole space all the way up there open. And then the truck sits back here. But I only do that when it's like single day trips. But since I'm leaving at nighttime for this and I'm gonna drive about 5 hours and then pull over in a rest stop, I have a little cot back there, and then I just pull over and I lay the cot right here, sleep next to the truck in a rest stop, and then I get back on the road in the morning. Gotta gas this thing up. It's been since April. That's like 6 months. All right, let's hope she turns on. It's been a few weeks. So I have no idea if this is even gonna work, but we'll find out. All right, come on, baby, start. The battery turns over, that's a good thing, I guess. It's loaded in. I just gotta tie down the straps and finish loading the truck, but I need to get some water first. All right, so we're getting rid of the truck for a little bit. So here's what's going on. Actually, we're not selling it. I know you guys all thought that, but we're not. Oh yeah, water. I can't sell that thing. That thing's too nice for a truck. But what we are gonna do, we're gonna go to Maggie Valley tomorrow night, and we're gonna go to Southeast All Truck Nationals. Probably about 400 or 500 trucks there this year, I'd imagine. We're also going there as a vendor. So since Justin's shop is about an hour and a half away from there, what we're gonna go do is go show the truck all weekend. We're gonna go vend all weekend. And then Sunday, drive that trailer to Justin's house. We're gonna drop off the C10 and it's gotta get finished. We gotta hook up the AC, the heat, stereo. We gotta fix the suspension a little bit. We gotta figure out what's going on with the transmission and a bunch of other little things. So he's going to keep the truck until Mini Trucking Nationals in April. So there will be no truck in here and there will be no C10 content after this weekend all the way until April. So I'll just bring you guys to some truck shows and car shows with me, and then hopefully April it's fully done and then we can just go absolutely ride that thing till the wheels fall off and enjoy it and get some cool content with it. But sorry if I let you guys down. I know you guys were thinking I was selling it and going and getting like a supercar or something like that, but that's not the case. We are gonna get a supercar once I save for it, but we're keeping the C10 too, and we're gonna match them together. The only thing that sucks is I don't have room in the garage for both, so I'm either gonna have to like rip these cabinets out or go get storage for the truck and park a car in here. I don't know yet. I haven't figured it out yet, but it sucks being in the military. When I'm kind of stationed here, I'm not in my forever home where I can like set things up to be able to do this stuff and have more than one show vehicle. But there'll be a recap for Southeastern Truck Nationals. I'll see you guys in Maggie Valley this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely turn on notifications, hit that subscription button, and get ready for a recap of Southeast All Truck Nationals, and we'll do some more truck stuff while we're there.